Let me ask you something. What if instead of chasing clients, paying for ads, or grinding to create new content every week, you could build a small line of AI automations that work for you and sell them again and again, like real digital products? Sounds crazy, right? But that's exactly what's happening right now. Every day, ordinary people with no coding experience, no big audience, and no startup money are building simple AI agents using tools like ChatGPT and Make.com and turning them into digital products that earn income 24/7. Hey everyone, welcome back to Digital Profit Hacks, the channel where we break down how to use AI, automation, and no-code tools to create real online income without clients, without ads, and without burnout. If that's the kind of freedom you're after, make sure to hit subscribe and turn on the notifications, because what you'll learn here can literally replace months of trial and error. Alright, let's dive in. Let's start with a quick reality check. Most people who try to make money online end up stuck in the same cycle. They sell their time, chasing clients day after day, or they build an audience hoping algorithms will finally favor their content. Or they pour money into ads, praying that one campaign finally works. But here's the truth. All three paths have one fatal flaw. The moment you stop, the income disappears. If you take a break, if you get sick, or if you simply don't feel like working that day, everything stops. It's exhausting, unpredictable, and it keeps you trapped in a loop where time is your only currency. Now imagine flipping that model completely. Instead of trading hours for dollars, what if you could create something once, something that keeps working, earning, and delivering value even when you're offline? That's where AI automations, or AI agents, come in. Think of them as tiny digital workers. They don't sleep, they don't ask for raises, they simply run in the background, solving real problems for real people. And once you package them the right way, they become digital products. Assets that can be sold again and again, just like an ebook or an online course. Here's a quick example. Imagine a freelancer who used to spend hours every week writing personalized thank you emails for clients. One day, they decide to build a simple automation using ChatGPT and Make.com, something that automatically writes and sends those emails after each purchase. Instead of doing it manually, they package that workflow as a plug-and-play product and list it on Gumroad for $39. Now that single automation keeps generating sales week after week without any extra effort. That's the beauty of AI agents. You build it once, it works forever. And because these automations actually save people time or make them money, they sell incredibly well even without ads or complicated marketing. People don't care about the tech behind it, they care about the result. And if your automation delivers a clear result, it sells. So why does this model work so well? First, it's no code. Tools like Make.com, ChatGPT, Airtable, and Notion make it possible to build full systems without writing a single line of code. Second, it's low competition. Everyone's still chasing followers, building courses, or offering coaching. But very few are packaging automations as ready-to-use products. And third, it's scalable. Once you have one automation that sells, you can clone the process and create an entire product line around it. Think of it like this. You don't need a massive audience or a viral launch. You just need one automation that solves a real problem. Something simple but valuable, like collecting testimonials automatically, sending follow-up messages, or repurposing content for social media. Here's a simple example to get you thinking. Imagine you create a review booster agent. It automatically messages customers 2 days after purchase, asks for a quick rating, and sends a thank you note. You can build it in Make.com, use Google Sheets to store the data, and connect it to ChatGPT to generate personalized messages. Once it's ready, you export it as a blueprint. Record a short demo video showing how it works and upload both to Gumroad or Payhip. Boom, you've got a product. Now here's where most people miss the mark. They stop at the build phase, but the real secret is in the packaging. You're not just creating an automation, you're building a product with a clear identity and purpose. Each agent should have a name that communicates the result, not the tech. For example, call it lead magnet agent instead of something generic like Zap Automation #1. Add a short demo video that shows what it does in less than a minute and include a simple step-by-step guide that walks buyers through setup in plain English. This is what separates people who make a few sales from those who build consistent income. You're not selling a workflow, you're selling a result. Something like, this agent helps you collect 5 times more client testimonials automatically. Here's another example. Imagine someone who creates a content repurposing agent that turns YouTube transcripts into ready-to-post LinkedIn content using ChatGPT. They upload it to a marketplace for around $49, and within a few weeks, it starts bringing consistent sales. No ads, no outreach. Just one automation that solves a real problem and keeps working on its own. So what can you build? Here are a few ideas that sell incredibly well right now. A lead magnet delivery agent, sends a freebie automatically after sign up. A follow-up agent messages leads who didn't reply after 3 days. An AI sales assistant summarizes incoming emails and suggests quick responses. Each of these can be built in just a few hours and sold for $29 to $99 as a plug-and-play product. And if you're wondering how to sell them, here's the trick. Use platforms that already have buyer traffic, like Gumroad, Etsy, or AppSumo. Create a clean product page with a short video, a few screenshots, and a strong title. You don't need ads, and you don't even need followers. These marketplaces already have thousands of people searching for tools that save time and money. Before we wrap up, I've put together something to help you take action faster. It's a complete step-by-step guide that shows you how to choose your first automation idea, build it with no code, package it like a real product, and start selling it online. You'll find all the details in the pinned comment below. It's designed to help you move faster and avoid wasting hours figuring things out alone. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss what's next. Drop a comment below telling me which automation idea you'd build first. I'd love to see your ideas. Thanks for watching, and remember, build once, sell forever. Now let's go make some digital profit.